Good evening, everybody. First of all, I thanks to Jaipur Institute who called me and explain you some my experience. First of all, we just start from the attitude. Our attitude determine only 3 E's. I think everybody knows about it. But how we can determine our attitude? 3E is very important for us. Like, first of all, just start ourselves like education. Then environment. Then we got experience. जो एजुकेशन हमने जैसे एनवायरनमेंट में ली है हमको वैसा ही एक्सपीरियंस होगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी अंडरस्टैंड ourselves, who we are, हम कौन हैं या हमें किस चीज़ की रिक्वायरमेंट है. We are Indians, everybody knows about it. इंडिया में होने के साथ साथ हमें हिंदी का आना बहुत जरूरी है. जो चीज़ हमें समझ ना आए उसके बारे में सुनना भी बेकार है. सभी जानते हैं. We are a man. M-A-N. That is very important thing for you. If I give you money, don't give you authority, and you have need, can you become a successor? If I give you authority, you have need, but you don't have money. You have money and you have authority, but you don't have need. So, money, authority and need. पैसा, पावर और इच्छा, इन तीनों के बिना we are not a success. How we can generate it? Every managers have dress and address, presentations. I think tomorrow you will be a manager. You go everywhere for facing an interview. So you think you looking smart, but you don't have how you look smart. Smart has some words, S-M-A-R-T. You must be specific. Must be measurable. You have some characteristics which we can measure. Achievable. How you can achieve these things? A very important thing. Realistic. And last one is time bound. If you have the value of time, you are realistic, you can achieve. And we work only 3 C's. Competence, commitment and characters. All of these things, every organizations have work only AVERA system. A-V-I-R-A. We read it from top to bottom. Now we read it bottom to top. We just start from A and finish from A. Finish to A. If we are achievable, if we are smart, we can achieve it. Realistic. Now we have an imagination. If have imagination, हमें कोई कल्पना की है, we have vision, then we take the action. When we take the action, जब हम अचीवेबल हैं, हमने कोई चीज प्राप्त करने की इच्छा है, कैसे करेंगे? We have money, we have authority, we have things. किसी भी फील्ड में जाइए आप, कहीं भी वर्क कीजिए, बट आप स्मार्ट होने चाहिए। स्मार्टनेस कैसे आएगी? स्पेसिफिक हो, मस्ट बी मेजरेबल हो, चाहे वो आपके अच्छे कैरेक्टर्स हो, चाहे वो बुरे कैरेक्टर्स हो। आप रियलिस्टिक हो, टाइम की पंक्चुअलिटी आप। I just start my career like an executive in 1998. Only 4,000 rupees with the group of Shamkin Coursing Limited, that is a textile group. And now become a GM factory officer. You don't think तुम्हें कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है? थिंक इज दैट मुझे स्मार्ट बनना है, इच्छा मेरे पास है, पावर मुझे लेनी है, पैसा वहां से जनरेट करना है। आप अपनी नीड को पावर में कन्वर्ट कीजिए, पावर आपको पैसे में कन्वर्ट करेंगे। So think is this. धागा होता है, धागे की वीविंग होगी, वीविंग से कपड़ा बनेगा, तभी तो हम गारमेंट बनाएंगे। Think is this. You have to desire, you have to need. Time is not equal to money. Here there is time, there is money. Here is money, there is no time. आप जो सिखाने के लिए किसी के पास कोई समय नहीं है, वो आपको पैसा देगा। Always remember ability to work in a team. As well as strong professional relationship. Then last one is continuous learning from the job. Today I am a GM, but I learn every day. I am not a perfect man. So you think ability to work in a team, strong professional relationship, as well as continuous learning from the job. Experience is nothing, because your attitude, जहाँ से आपने एजुकेशन लिया, जिस एनवायरनमेंट में आपने लिया, वैसा ही आपको एक्सपीरियंस हो जाएगा, चाहे वो इंडस्ट्री है, चाहे वो किसी भी फील्ड में है। So my best wishes to all of you. Thanks again, Jaipur Institute Management. all of you listen to me in a very short way. Thanks.